Michael Seward owns Signature Interiors and Gifts in the Bilo Shopping Center on Fury's Ferry. He sells anything design, from upholstered furniture, rugs, lamps, chandeliers, art, accessories, and gifts. Michael has a knack for finding unique items that you won't see anywhere else in the river region, and he's the featured local design expert at the upcoming Home and Garden Show at the James Brown Arena. That's coming up this weekend, by the way. Mike, thanks so much for being here today.
Absolutely.
You must be getting excited.
I am. I've never been a guest at a show like this. Growing up, I always enjoyed going to these types of shows.
This is a big thing.
I sat through all the seminars, and I'm like,
Yeah.
I want to be that person one day, and now here I am.
Well, you have brought some wonderful things today. You were telling me as you were setting up that we're just kind of like in a prime gift season.
It is.
Yeah.
People are loving the small gifts because and some of these things are small accessories that you can easily change out season to season or move it around your house from the bedroom to the dining room. And at the Home and Garden
Gives
Show,
it a fresh look, doesn't it?
Yeah, I'm going to be speaking about dining room tablescapes and living room, how you can change pillows and that kind of thing. One of the reasons I opened my store is as I moved here in 2005, I was shopping around stores for clients, and I was bored because it was just a little generic, a little bland, and I just wanted to offer something a little different to Augusta.
Well, mission accomplished, let me say.
Well, you know, spring is
now,
coming.
This is beautiful.
Isn't that
the
a great
birds.
pillow? And this could be a seasonal pillow, maybe for spring. And it has a lot of great colors, so it works with a lot of people's decor. You know, I have a lot of guys who come in the store, and they're like, you know, I want a man cave. I want something a little more masculine or something. I mean, you know, we can do that too. We can pull out a blue plaid. Pairing it with a piece of art like this, we're doing a lot of dimensional art now.
I love that.
And so that's a
I
blue
love
stones, and it just gives a lot of personality.
Gorgeous.
Without being too feminine.
And I am so crazy for candles. This smells so good.
Well, so that is Pinot Noir. These are from a company called Rewind. I just got them at the store.
Right.
This is champagne. I don't know if you smelled that.
I did.
So
yes.
they've taken the bottom of it, or wine bottle, and cut it
Right.
off and used the bottom of it for this. And what I'm going to show with tablescapes, I mean, you can do something a little formal like this, and of course we have our candle that we like,
Yeah,
a fake
so pretty.
candle that looks like it's burning, but it's not.
Those are the best fake candles ever.
I love it. So you could do something formal like this on your table. You could do a series of the Rewind down your table, and again, they smell good. They're pretty. You could throw in some succulents down the center of a table, and that's very simple, very casual. You can pull this from your coffee table to your dining table to your side table in the bedroom.
Yeah.
So just versatile. What I love to do is a centerpiece in the middle of the table and maybe a couple of those on the ends if you have a long table.
Right.
They work great on a buffet, again, in a bedroom, on a nightstand. If you've got a tall lamp, you need something kind of chunky. Mercury glass adds a little bling to the room without too much bling. It reflects light, and it picks up colors in your room because it's a champagne-y, silver, gold color and texture, which is really great.
It gives us the bling.
That's
too.
right. I love it. You know, I have a little
Gives
bit
us
of that in every room of my house.
Love it. Just love it. You also have a stunning arrangement behind you.
Isn't that beautiful? These are preserved flowers that they have. I don't know the
When you say
preservation.
preserved, do you mean like you would preserve a bridal bouquet?
I guess so. I don't know the process, to be honest, but I know they enhance color and then they preserve them, so this can last a long time. You could take a vacuum with a little brush on the end and keep it clean. People do ask how we can do this. You could see it, you know, a lot of dining rooms these days in new homes, we have 10 and 12-foot ceilings, so you need something a little taller.
But you would take it off when dinner started.
Of course.
Because you wouldn't see the people across
Well,
from
unless
you.
there's somebody across from you that you don't want to see or talk to. I mean, it's a great way to put your
You could be
foe across the
strategic
table.
about your place cards, right?
But you're right.